my get to paras kalam ki
game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chamitambo. Itiba zwenda dera, chingo data zwami shasho.
Yeah, ha. This is hustling, struggling, juggling. Wa variatina bumachero, futhi boburunga mubaero. Na murinda ngataba tinga dola na muchero. Roshika madubani ane aba apupero. Basitana bana tumbu bako kwasha zimbumbero. Bana na babebi bako dzura bako urwa. Bake guru bakare bari hesu shikotura. Nelito langa libo dzura liko fura. Ndichisetsa ndikuwana bako pota ngachifura. Bunji abadzadze bako pota ngamarwadze. Arali bako shota ndi umbera ni batadze. Nichiwana ono sha ndiri nisi muhubatse. Panda hamudzimu zvino nidi tukupatse. Duva litofisa roupisa. Vamwe na dzinama vako dzila vodzipisa. Vamwe vonorepa vako ita zvaudisa. Ngazvituku namba ritofisa. Ha, yeah. Udoruka, shaya diva. Udoruka, eyo itani. Udoruka, ene asaruka, ene shamba litoduka. Shisiwana, udoruka, eyo vashari. Udoruka, evatamburi. Udoruka, ene asaruka, ene shamba litoduka.
Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Novatangana nga Mizo ari hudoruga. Yeah man, vangakho divusori wani ulo thoma ngaye wani ndo posta ene but vakuzibona na chinepe cho dzula nepo ka screen ya nepo ndi mafhungo ane ra kho wana zori akho trenda nga manda on social media vhathu vako papana vana mafhungo soko to amba zwithu vhathu vasokuamba zwine va following ngori va na data kana va ka free mode va vona mwa comment vari na nṋe nda commenta hey tene nda vha ndo pfala. So we having a huge issue in yavori the main problem in it ya venda nduri arali rava ri kozama u takulana kana we trying to build each other. There's always those vane va vo dzula vo sedzana na zori ho funa zwo itwa so none ho tea ho pangwa so none nyinyi ho tea ita so. Reason being I'm saying that ndi zori va nga sedza zwino Thavhani molo swika hune ya swika hune ya nanga Mizo uri Mizo Phyll anga va mungwe wa vhathu vha khou representa brand yavho ndi nga murahu musi arali vho spenda tshelede wa swika hune vha kona uri vha wane na tshinepe na zwine nda khou amba zwone ndi zwa uri u khou amba upfhi vha ri mini vhathu drip season day with Mizo, spend 500 and get a free picture na Mizo. Ndi zwine vha khou amba zwone uri ya vha khou supporta local but rina vhathu vhane vha vha zori mihumbulo yavho yo shandeya kana mihumbulo yavho I dzula I khou vha negative. Asi mafhungo la pfhi venda ri to vhengana kana mini. No, this issue is everywhere. Hu to vhori vhaṅwe vha na like yavho ri vha ya pushana to a point ine yavho ri ho ḓala vhone hafha kha dzi media na mini na hoṱhe hanefha kha dzi TV na dzi radio ngori yeah they are this side vha khou vhona vha side ine yavho ndi ya fhasi hanengeno vho Jozi vho Durban vho Cape Town mini vha wana vha khou tikana but vha nga sedza na vhanzhi nda zwiḓo zori I dzule yo suka ndi nga vha vhudzana nga nge kha tsonga rap yes hu dzula dzi khou vhuya mara mafhungo a thingo ḓa nga hayi. Fhungo ḽine nda khou amba nga halo ndi heḽi ḽine Thavhani mall I tshi khou amba uri u bva nga 12 swika nga 5 nga dzi 5 dza September u dzhia tshinepe na Mizo nga murahu musi vho spenda 500 rand a thi vhoni zwo khakheaho fhedzi because of lack of knowledge vhathu vha dzhia uri muthu muṅwe na muṅwe ane a tea uri it's worth your money or it's worth doing something ndi muthu ane a vhori u tea u vha o duma ngori ri khou vhona muṅwe na muṅwe soko ri makhadzi. I'll take you back nne huna tshifhinga tshezo zwa vha tshi khou rwa nga maanḓa vhathu vho no nga vho Tshigomboza vhathu nane vha vhaṅwe vha khou ḓi ita zwingondo a huna na muthihi we a vha a khou ṱoḓiwa uri hu swike hune anga dzhenela kha muzika ita chingondo kana feature na zozo. Fans were always complaining uri vha khou kopela zozo. Then when Zozo was out of the market, Rosara risina vhaṅwe vhaimbi vhane vha vhori they are representing Venda. Zwine ya vhori is the issue ine ro facer kha la Venda nga maanḓa ngori we block other artists, we block other entertainers for the sake ori roṱhe ri mbo ḓi dzhia dzi emotions dzashu ra dzi attacha to one person or one entertainer, one celebrity. Zwo sia zwi khou ri sia uri when that person fade, arichena wo replace kana rina wo mutika kana ahuna muthu ane anga mukeeper on the game, because remember bari tanzu na la kale lati kwa bari min tanzu li solid kwa ngalilala. So no kwamba in the music industry hezula lilala kana la kale liko tika liswa liba liko stay relevant. Ndizo zoma do wanori amwimbi orala nga wajia wo oskido ngajira wutira na min. They've been in the industry for quite some times, but they stay relevant because they're forever working with new guys. But Zorabako put her on people. Nangan Jera example. When MT got signed, nigga pulled all his boys into the game. The same things Nanga says when most artists sign you. But Dana Batubabo, professor when they signed, he brought in his brother, he brought in a lot of crew guys where they do music now, couple of professor Nepal. Because they know to stay relevant, I need to use other people that want to go up. But vendor, no. I can give you an example. Right now, there's been an issue, and I'm going to try to look at it if I want a chance today. Yori, because Makadish is big, she can't work with any local artist anymore. Forgetting, if it happens that it fade, or the talent, it's not working anymore the best way we know, or we got tired of her. Come on. What happens is, by the time at that time she's no longer relevant. No one will be working with her. But if she put other artists on, like the way Shoma Josie put her on, Shoma Josie promoter to a point that the world got to know about her, the country got to know about her more. Come on. So you need to put other people on. So Thavhani Museum put her on to try to push his brand. I don't see anything wrong about it. About the marketing strategy. The Mutu has understanding the branding. Mizo has fans. Mizo has followers. Bane, there's special pictures in it you don't always get. Yes, you can take any picture now, but depending on the setup, they can set up something exclusive, something nice, something dope. But just nothing is wrong about it. That will also show the artists the approach, the brand. You can associate yourself with brands. It grows your brand. It markets your brand. It gets you known. It puts you out there. Come on. I can tell you the times Bamba was breaking everything, man. He was big and all that. The time that Bomba were doing it, we blocked other rappers. We started beef with Zinez unnecessary. The time when Mizo was big, we did the same. Like, we block other people. What fellow mean? You went in the big. Like, we keep on blocking each other. Antani Ori, we attach emotions to artists or to people or to celebrities. Rahang Wazor, it's not about emotions. It's about having fun. It's about having more in the game. Because we always say, Maraba venda TV. How are they going to get there if you still blocking them? You know, I'm looking at this I can't. That's my mic, sorry. Let me try to move on to this other screen and see. Mutaki, mentalist. I don't know what mental is about him, because niggas saying that the strategy is weak. The simple thing, what can you bring to the table? What do you bring to the table? Chinechanga advisor ori, they can do better. Because the main thing you need to advise. If you're saying something is weak or it's weak, what's the best way to do it right? All the time you negative, but what are you doing to brand, to grow venda? What are you doing? What are you planting back to the community? What are you doing to try to grow other people? People are talking about this thing like Mizo, ukopadera 500 and ukopadera Mizo. No, you buy whatever you buy. Kana nikwena renga makumba 500, and then you get the picture. Kongwana. Kana nikotua na ina renga zone kandi mini. As long as you spend your 500, maybe ni luambo, ngobona. Maybe yeah. It's drip season. Yeah, day Mizo. Maratonga but abaku understand. So I guess some people or mini. Niko spend your money and just get a picture. That's simple as that. It's not like Mizo is getting paid by your 500. Niko waste honey 500. Yeah. Dembe, tell me. Dembe Jane Rambao. Can you tell me Uri Niko waste honey if you buy. Nike renga zone na renga zone and take a picture or not. It's up to you. I don't go force you. You're not told to what to do. You know what? Get rid of that mentality. Like, I don't know if I can put it stupidity or lack of information or lack of what, but the truth in the ori, ahuna muntu no block muvenda ufana muvenda ane afila ori I was supposed to be. But in issue the what ya hunne, yes, then bring something in Chinako Filori, they can put you on. Abakorini songo dai. Work with people, work with faith. Now I wanna go ne. It's very sad uri this is what I'm talking about, because I'm seeing people because they have data come on. Yeah, Mizo can ask me for a pic. He doesn't look down on others. Mizo can even spend time with me, whereas I'm not a celebrity or famous, but you are looking down on Mizo, whereas by public standard your achievements cannot be compared with. Damn it, this is, you know it. I like how some people will tell you like it is. Man, achievements, we don't have to go and put them there and what, but this guy have done a lot. This guy performed in major stage. That's one hell of an achievement. This guy have been part of the culture. If Nangambu this as you know, if I walk into back to the city management and they're like, we want vendor rappers, who would I call? Definitely I can't left out Mizo. Definitely, even if I'm here, they will ask, wow, Faith, how can you give us a list without Mizo? That's how he grew into the industry. Yes, he started the industry when the doors were closed. And you see them being played on TV and other radios. There's a lot of work that had to be done. Let's forget the churches back then. We're talking about meetings in the boardrooms, war after war, fights after fights. At the end of the day, yeah, we see people, artists are starting to win. But you don't know that it's deeper than that. There's a lot of people that are putting their life on the line to see this happen. Come on. So some people, they just know how to talk. Like they just talk because they work Facebook. Come on. Yeah, Menex, come on, dude. You can't be thinking like that. Menex, they're not saying pay 500. You buy, you take a picture, or you don't. It's up to you. So respect other people's hustle. Like people want to, they don't know the fee. Yeah, buy my stuff, buy this, do this, support me. I'm doing this, I'm printing this, I'm working this, I'm selling this. But you don't want to support other people's hustle. Get what I mean? We all hustling out here. We all trying to push. We're trying to make something out of something. We're trying to build the empires of venda. We're trying to put them out there. So I'm proud of Thavhani Molo, of what they've done. So if you have issues, those are your own issues. Ntakazin, you can tell us about Photoshop. Dude, you're not that good if you because a good person will Photoshop what is worth for Photoshopping. Sometimes just say, I don't have money to buy something. Come on. If you will anything, Thavhani Mall, it's fine. Just leave other people. They'll do that and they'll take pictures. Come on. I guess you just want to be entertained on social media. But one thing I was saying about this post in Dizori, I've seen more of negativity. It's done because people feel entitled to comment. You know, they feel entitled they need to comment and say whatever they want to say, just because they feel they're better than other people or they can be better. But if you're better, why are you not doing something for yourself? Why are you not putting yourself out there? You know what I mean? Yeah. That's all I wanted to say. You know what? We're out of time. We're left with a couple of seconds. So big up to Mizo and big up to Thavhani Mall. I'm proud of what you guys are doing. Partnering, I'm hoping to see more artists. You working with them, trying to put them on. And then we're hoping to see more greater projects. You know what? Thavhani Mall, wasongohangwa. I bet the shopping you want to spend the 500 and you can get a chance to take a picture with Mizo Phyll. And fun enough, some nigga still goes and run around taking pictures with Father Christmas. The nigga they don't even know, the nigga just dressed up like Father Christmas, but ain't no Father Christmas. Hey, Mizo, who the heck are you taking a picture with? Yes. I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Until then, I'm out of here. Zone.